Subtract 9y squared minus 2y minus 5y cubed minus the quantity 4y squared minus 2y minus 6y cubed. When we subtract this polynomial from this one, we change it to addition and change each of the signs inside of this parenthesis to the opposite of what they are. So we have 9y squared minus 2y minus 5y cubed. And then this would be minus 4y squared plus 2y plus 6y cubed. Now we combine like terms. Let's start with the largest degree, y cubes. So we would have negative 5 plus 6 in parentheses times y cubed. For the y squareds, we'd have 9 minus 4 in parentheses times the y squared. Negative 2y plus the 2y, so in parentheses, negative 2 plus 2 times the y. Let's simplify inside the parentheses. Negative 5 plus 6 is positive 1. We don't need to write the 1. We can just write y cubed. Plus 5 times y squared. Negative 2 plus 2 sums to 0. 0 times y is 0. So this is our answer, y cubed plus 5y squared.